Hello friends, in this session we will discuss a problem, and problem is that when we click on SSH, then there is a problem that Linux guest operating system is not found when we click on SSH of any node and cannot SSH to my instance on Google Compute Engine or Google Cloud Platform. So solution of this problem we can get by view gcloud command window by right side of SSH of node. So when we click on SSH, then many times we cannot get our SSH command prompt. So we click on right side of SSH and we click on view gcloud command. So this is our gcloud command. So here run in cloud cell, we click here and in this window we will execute this command one by one for node 1, node 2, node 3 and node 4, and we have to enable OS login equal true. Then we will click on SSH tag for every node. Then we will be in our home user. We will be login as a home user, and then we will reach towards root user by typing sudo -i, and then we will execute our task. So we will execute one by one command on gcloud command window and erase this statement. Then we have to type this command, press enter, then it will ask for zone and you have again type. Then you can get solution of this problem. When we click on SSH, then many times we cannot get our command secure shell command. So we will do for node 1 and then node 2, node 3 and node 4. After that, when we click on SSH for every node, then we get our command prompt as a home user. Then we will make it root. Suppose this is our root. If we exit here, then this is our home user name and we will reach towards root site where we have installed cloudera manager and VNC server in root for root user. Thanks for watching.